Lollipops.
1, 2, 3. Have 1, 2. What's that?
3. You have 3 lollipops.
1, 2.
What about that one right there?
Oh, you got another one. You missed one.
Right there. How many does that make?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah!
4?
You have 4 lollipops. Are you sorting out your candy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you got a lot of candy.
Is there another one? Is there another lollipop?
Yep, there is. Look right here. You missed another one. Now how many do you have?
There's 1. There's 1. There's 1, 2, 3, 4,
What about the one way down there in your hand?
5.
5! Yeah! You have 5 lollipops. You scored on the lollipops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very cool. What other kinds of candy did you get?
Want to eat this?
Not today. You already had a lot today. You can save it for tomorrow though.
This? This?
What is that? Is that taffy?
Yeah. This?
Let me see. That is, oh, it's a Tootsie Roll, but it's flavored.
This?
It's a Tootsie Roll.
This? This? This?
Thanks, Dom.
This?
Thanks, Dominic.
This?
Thanks, Dominic. So tell me about your night. What'd you do? Tell me again. Did you go trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
Yeah?
People give you candy and now
In your pumpkin?
in my pumpkin.
What do you have to say for them to give you candy? Did you have to say trick-or-treat? Trick-or-treat? Did you ring the doorbell?
No.
Who rang the doorbell?
So,
Callie rang the doorbell? You knocked? Cool.
want one of these?
What did Dad do?
Look it out you.
What'd he do?
Look it out you. Look on your
Look at that hair. Unbelievable.
I've had a lot of sugar today.
That's funny. Yeah, I'm here too, but I missed the fun. Say bye, everyone. Hope you had a good Halloween. Or that.